This is Donna Lambert. I am a veterinarian at Creature Comforts. Wanted to talk to you very briefly about kennel cough. Probably if you have a dog or you've been around dogs, you know what kennel cough is. It is primarily a combination of bacteria and virus, and it causes a nasty hacking cough like this. Oh, that poor guy. So dogs get kennel cough from touching each other's faces, licking each other, sneezing, coughing, anything that requires nasal or oral secretions to be shared with other dogs. That's why dogs that are in a boarding facility or grooming facility and call it kenneling, they get it. It's just like children who go to daycare or the church nursery. It's very, very contagious between dogs. Thankfully, most dogs don't get a severe sickness or illness from it. It's mainly just this hacking, annoying cough. Some dogs will run a low-grade fever or maybe just not feel like eating, but typically dogs don't progress to a severe disease, thankfully. Some dogs can, though, if they maybe have an immune system that's not functioning normally, or if they're very old and they have other sicknesses and things like that. So vaccination is the key to kennel cough prevention, and we have several different kinds of vaccines. There's an intranasal up the nose, an oral, or an injection. The intranasal is going to work the fastest. Usually within 12 hours, your dog's going to start to have built up protection against these bacteria and virus. So that's the one we use at Creature Comforts. We do require it every 6 months just because we see a large number of dogs here for boarding and doggy daycare. If your dog doesn't go to doggy daycare or board or go to any place where dogs congregate, you're probably fine with it every 12 months. But listen to what your veterinarian suggests. But because we do see so many dogs and they are in group play for the most part, we do require it every 6 months. Not all vaccines are created equal, and this is huge. Vaccines must be stored properly. The vaccine goes in the refrigerator. They have to be shipped properly from our, distributor. We have to store them properly. So sometimes when you go to a place like a parking lot and your person gets out of the truck and vaccinates your dog, we don't know if that vaccine's been stored properly. Maybe it's been sitting outside on a table for several hours. It may be a worthless injection by the time it gets into your dog's body. So, it's very important to handle and store a vaccination properly. Any vaccination, not just kennel cough, but rabies, distemper, all the core vaccinations have to be refrigerated and stored properly. So we do require that your pet have been vaccinated by a veterinarian who is not in a parking lot. Lastly, if your dog gets vaccinated, it can still get kennel cough. Hopefully it will be a very mild case. Some cases last 24 to 48 hours. Some cases last up to 10 to 14 days. Every dog can be different. But for the most part, dogs recover perfectly fine without any treatment at all. Sometimes we will use an antibiotic or something to stop a cough just because the dog's uncomfortable. And it is kind of scary as an owner to hear your baby coughing like that. So, I really hope this has answered some basic questions about kennel cough. We would love to hear your questions. Please call us anytime if you have questions, or email us. Go to our website at creaturecomfortsresort.com and send us an email, or all our contact is on there. You can get our phone number and give us a call. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
If you ask me, I'm going to say Creature Comforts, the ultimate pet care facility.